Star Ghana has signed a $1.92 million grant agreement to sponsor media projects. The funding is expected to help media organizations undertake projects aimed at improving the quality of life and enhance national development. Programs Manager Ibrahim Tanko Amidu explains the initiative is aimed at strengthening media-civil society collaboration for effective governance.
The Media Call initiative by Star Ghana is expected to provide financial and technical support to media organizations to fully undertake projects that are targeted at highlighting and addressing critical societal issues for nation building. The 14-month project, signed between Star Ghana and 21 different media organizations, is to strengthen media civil societal collaborations for greater transparency, accountability and responsiveness at all levels of governance. Project Manager for Star Ghana, Ibrahim Tanko Amidu, said his outfit is committed to increasing the influence of civil society and parliament in the governance.
What Star Ghana is about, to increase the influence of citizens in the way the delivery of public goods and services are governed. So what we're actually seeking to do through this call is really to provide you with the capacity and the resources to fulfill an obligation that has been imposed on you by the Constitution of this country.
Chair of the Star Ghana Steering Committee, Professor Akila Pasoya, explains the essence of the project.
The purpose is to provide support to the media to work more effectively with other civil society organizations to enhance citizen advocacy for greater transparency, responsiveness, and accountability, emphasizing anti-corruption and effective public financial management. It also aims to improve media access and voice for all citizens, particularly those who are socially marginalized, the poor, as well as those who are living in deprived areas of the country.
Multimedia Ghana Limited, a beneficiary to the grant, was awarded $100,000 for a clean community project which spearheads an intensive media campaign to create a national awareness for clean communities.
We want to empower the people to take control of their own sanitation situation. We want them to think about sanitation as something that is personal to them, not something that is outside. It's not a government problem or a Zoomlion problem. It's a Ghana problem. Hopefully with clean communities, we'll go to 5 communities around the country. We'll do sensitization, media campaigns. We'll have forums. We'll invite stakeholders. We'll also let the communities come out and tell us what exactly they need to bring a sort of sanitation drive. We want to create a national impetus to make sure that from clean communities, we get a clean Ghana.
Professor Akila Pasoya stressed on the need for beneficiaries to be transparent in the execution of their projects, since they will be called upon to render accounts for their projects.